Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to our channel. My name is Kayla.
And I'm Kelly, and we are a mother-daughter real estate team in the Sacramento area.
So on our channel, our goal is to educate all of you guys on all of the terms and processes of real estate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and then follow us on Instagram, which will be linked below.
Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kayla and Kelly here again. Today we're going to be talking about home staging.
So, getting your home ready to sell can be stressful because you live in your home and you have a lot of stuff. Most everybody does. And that is not necessarily the best way to showcase your home when buyers come through. So one of the things that we do as realtors for you is that we will come into your home, tell you what to pack, where to put it, what to keep, and how to stage your own things if that's possible, and if you're planning to stay in the home while you're selling it. Alternatively, you could move out of your home and have it vacant. The nice thing about having a vacant home is that more people can see it easily. They don't have to set an appointment, it's easy, they can go by, and so you're gonna get a lot more showings if the home is vacant. However, there is one downfall to having a completely vacant home.
Whenever you have a vacant home, sometimes it could be hard for people to look past there being nothing there. So really, if you have a certain type of home that, say, it's a completely open floor plan, some people need help figuring out how to separate each room. So the dining room, living room, things like that. So staging can really help with that because it'll give people the visual of how they can set up their own furniture, which especially for women, I mean, we get the warm and fuzzy feeling when we get into this cute little house that has cute decor everywhere and furniture and everything, and we feel like it's actually a home. So that's what we're looking for, and that's what our clients are looking for.
So staging can be anything from a completely staged home where every room has furniture in it. Could be your furniture, could be a staging company's furniture, rental furniture, or it could just be a few things, some key rooms so that people can see how to use that space. Mm-hmm. Staging is not free for sure. If you go with a staging company, there is cost associated, and normally it's kind of on a rental basis for a few months until the home is in contract at least. So it's something to consider, but definitely a free consultation with us is always a good idea.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram, which again will be linked below.